Now, free traffic website number 3 for affiliate marketing is a site called Traffic Ad Bar. Now, just for signing up, Traffic Ad Bar is going to send you over 1,000 visitors to your website every 3 days for absolutely free. This is absolutely a game changer. And they give you all these bonuses and features that's included with your membership. You're going to get free website traffic, a free advertising profile, automatic search engine submission. They're going to give you free advertising for the website of your choice to their members, and you're going to get free advertising through their network so that you can promote yourself. Now, they use points to promote your offers, but they're going to give you 100,000 points for free. While traditional traffic exchanges provide you with traffic today, with Traffic Ad Bar, what you do today can bring you results for the next 3 months. They don't just advertise your website or affiliate link to other members. They also advertise your website throughout their advertising network, which includes other traffic exchanges as well as other websites. And if that's not enough, you also have the option to upgrade your account and put your advertising on auto with their upgrade packages. All you have to do is just pick the one that suits you and get a minimum guaranteed 1,000, 2,000, or 4,000 visitors to your website every month guaranteed. Now, Traffic Ad Bar also pays you commissions for referring new members to their platform. Now, they have it broken down by free member, pro lite, pro, and platinum. Whichever one you choose to sign up for determines how much commissions you'll get. So if you're going to sign up and become a free member, you're only going to get anywhere from 4 to 10% commissions. But as a pro or platinum member, you can get anywhere from 15 to 35% commissions just for referring people to the platform that upgrade to any one of those memberships. Now, keep in mind, all of these websites that I'm telling you about, I absolutely use myself. I would never recommend anything that I haven't gotten some type of positive results from. So I've been using Traffic Ad Bar to cross-promote multiple affiliate programs that I'm promoting, and so far the results have been amazing. Now, I'm going to put out a video later on about my success with Traffic Ad Bar, but just using them alone, within 2 months I was able to generate $1,500 off a measly one little ad. Now, like I said, I'm going to leave the link down below this video, and if you sign up using my affiliate link, I'm going to give you the exact strategy and the affiliate program that I promoted to generate those sales. So I'll see you on the other side.